bed, and then.
Oh no. Do you tell me how to open the light, open the aircon? Yeah. Okay.
First, let's look at the light, and then this English wrote it in on off, then on.
Oh, on.
Yeah, and then like when you want to sleep up.
Sleep up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, like this. Then you will have a better sleeping mode. Yeah.
And you close it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's all. It's open.
Yeah.
Off.
The
Okay.
brightness.
Any other?
And there is the air conditioner.
Right?
And then when you open, you just
How to open?
you just press one of it. So I want code. So this.
This one? Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Put this one.
Yep. Wait, no, that's stop.
Okay.
Okay, nice on.
This cool.
Yep.
This the hot.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, and then temperature up. Temperature
up.
up.
Temperature up. Up.
Temperature low.
Down. The low. No. No. Okay. Now it's open.
Yep.
It's the cool aircon. You see this one, the cool. This one, the hot. It's hot. This double coast. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.